If you own a CTS from 2016 to 2019, you know that a worn-out shift boot or sticky knob can absolutely kill the luxury vibe. This replacement kit claims to bring that factory freshness back, but is it actually worth the swap? We're looking at the black shift knob and automatic boot replacement, specifically designed for the Cadillac CTS models in that 2016 through 2019 range. The first thing you notice when handling this is the material quality. It's genuine leather, and it feels substantial. The manufacturer clearly focused on using strong materials that are meant to withstand the daily grind, which is exactly what you want in a high-touch area like the center floor. The design itself is crafted specifically for a comfortable and secure grip during those gear amendments, even though it's an automatic. It just feels right in the hand, mimicking that original equipment feel perfectly. This isn't some cheap aftermarket knockoff. The build standard is explicitly stated to meet industry standards for quality control, ensuring reliable and consistent performance. That's a big deal when you're dealing with interior components that need to match the rest of the cabin. The color is a deep, rich black, matching the standard interior perfectly. Now, let's talk about the installation. Nobody wants a complicated project, and thankfully, this unit is designed for straightforward attachment. If you have basic tools, you should be able to handle this swap yourself, bringing that luxurious look back without needing a trip to the dealership. The fact that it includes both the knob and the boot, using those specific part numbers 23,107,739 and 23,460,364, means you get a complete, cohesive refresh. Overall, if your CTS interior is starting to show its age right where your hand rests, this replacement kit is an amazing, high-quality solution that restores the premium feel instantly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.